For thousands of years, humans dreamed of creating machines that could think, move, and work like us. But today, that dream is becoming reality. Across the world, engineers are building machines that can walk, learn, and make decisions. And some believe these machines may one day become smarter than the people who created them. The first robots were simple machines. They followed programmed instructions and repeated the same tasks again and again. These early robots transformed manufacturing and helped build the modern world. But they had one major limitation. They could not think. Everything changed with the rise of artificial intelligence. AI allowed machines to analyze massive amounts of data and learn patterns. This new technology gave robots something they never had before: the ability to adapt, the ability to learn, and the ability to improve over time. Today, engineers are developing robots designed to move and behave like humans. Companies like Boston Dynamics and Tesla are leading the race to build intelligent machines. One of the most ambitious projects is the humanoid robot known as Tesla Optimus, a machine designed to perform everyday tasks, from working in factories to helping people at home. Another breakthrough is the humanoid robot Amika, developed by Engineered Arts. Amika can move its facial muscles and display realistic expressions. It can look at a person, respond to questions, and simulate emotions. For many scientists, this marks a major step toward human-like machines. Robots are no longer confined to laboratories. Machines built by companies like Unitree Robotics are already performing real-world tasks. Robot dogs now patrol factories, inspect pipelines, and assist in dangerous environments. In the near future, robots may become part of everyday life. Some experts believe intelligent robots will transform the global workforce. Machines could take over repetitive and dangerous jobs. Factories may operate with teams of robots working under human supervision. But this raises an important question. If robots do the work, what will humans do? As machines become more intelligent, society must confront difficult questions. Should robots have limits? Who is responsible if an intelligent machine makes a mistake? And how far should humanity go in creating machines that resemble ourselves? Some scientists believe the future will be a world where humans and intelligent machines coexist. Others warn that uncontrolled artificial intelligence could become one of the greatest risks humanity has ever faced. The truth is, the future of intelligent machines is still being written. The rise of intelligent machines is no longer science fiction. It is happening now. And the decisions humanity makes today will shape the future of life on Earth.